Alright guys, welcome back to another banger. So it is still dark outside. It's currently 4:20 in the morning, and yeah, expect me to do more earlier vlogs, more earlier workouts than this in the upcoming days. Only reason is working with the schedule I make. Now that I got school coming up, summer's over, guys. So let's get those books open, you know? Get those books open, get those midterms done, get those finals done, and run it back. I hope y'all have a good semester. Study. But yeah, we're going to the gym pretty early now. I think I'm gonna try to keep this routine for a while. I think this whole semester, honestly, just to get it out the way. You know, I did already carb up. Had a peanut butter sandwich with pecan in it with a cup of milk. So now, quick tip: try to carb up 30 minutes before. See, that's my alarm. You see, this was my safety alarm if I didn't wake up at 4:30. But anyways, carb up 30 minutes before a workout, just so you could feel that extra strength. And who doesn't love carbs, honestly? See, now if you're trying to get bigger, I mean, eat double the carbs than you used to before workout. Take your pre-workout and it should be a good lift, honestly. Now, I know there's some people out there that say, man, pre-workouts every day is horrible for your health, for your heart, for your skin. Well, you mean to tell me bodybuilders do that every single day and one of the healthiest people on earth? The product's there for a reason, you know? Now, if you're consuming too much, that's a different story. If you're doing 4 or 5 scoops a day, well, you're eventually something's gonna happen to your body. Now, I hope no one's doing that. I hope no one's doing 5 or 6 scoops of pre-workout a day. But honestly, I'm fine with 1. Or sometimes, if I really want to get that, if I'm feeling, oh man, you know, I'm gonna feel a little crazy today, I put 2, max. Now, I know there's some other pre-workouts that have like 400 milligrams, 600, 800. Well, I'll tell you this much: you guys are crazy. I still have to try that out, honestly. I have to try it out. But otherwise, like, I'm taking the C-Bum pre-workout, the blue raspberry one. Honestly, I don't mind it. It's pretty good. It's really good, actually. We're just gonna wait in this car until the gym opens. Yeah. Just get this workout in, and we got shoulders and back. Now, I do love this split. I have been doing it for a good 2 months. I might change it. To like working targeting a specific muscle every day. Like, one day chest, another day rear delts. You know, it's gonna be different. But I say I'm gonna give it another month. Let me get another month, real good lift in. I have been getting stronger. For sure, the idea hasn't changed, which is getting stronger. You know, upping that weight. That's all that matters. As long as I see progress on on like lifting heavier, I should be straight. Today's my first day of classes. I don't start till 8, so I still got a good 4 hours. Now, what I do to get to class, since, you know, I'm from Chicago. Chicago has a lot of transit, transportation wise. We have trains, buses. That's what Chicago's known, you know, the Loop and all that stuff, Orange Line. Now, I take the Metric Electric, but I gotta take like an hour before in order to get to Millennium Park, until downtown. So, basically, I'm like south side, and then downtown's more going to the north, like literally north. So from getting to the south, traveling all the way to the north, it's kind of a drive. But I found the train that leaves me literally right in front of the school. So why drive when, you know, got the train right there? Yeah, I'm taking Cal. Yep, I got this this class today. You know, I already read the syllabus and all that. You know, be prepared. Hopefully it'll be like class. Only the man above knows. I'll tell you this much. It's gonna be, today's the first day of me waking up this early. These next couple of days, yeah, I'm gonna have to get used to it. You know, I was I got up, I went to the kitchen, and I was just scaling my food, my bread, all that stuff, just to eat my carbs, just to carb up. And I turn on the light. It's like a little light. It's near the. It's just a little light. It doesn't turn on the whole living room. It just shows like, it's like a light to turn on the dishes. Say if you're washing dishes, it's that tiny light above. And somehow, my father knew. Like, he's all the way up on another level. It's like right there. Like, so here's the kitchen, and then here's my parents' room, and then there's stairs in between the middle. I turn on that little light. Who's there? Can I know? I don't know how. I thought everyone was asleep. I don't know how. But I was like, yeah, it's me. Just getting this lift in before my day starts. You know, get out the way and get a good sweat in, you know? And obviously, like I've been saying, everyone has a different schedule. Some people are more comfortable learning, going to school in the afternoon, you know? Already worked, like, well, not already worked out, already would like to wake up a little bit later, eat their breakfast, all that stuff, nice and easy. But me trying out college already, this is my like third semester, fourth, somewhere around there. Yeah, I like early classes, so get it out the way too. Just get it out the way and have that whole day. I bought some new glasses. No, they are pricey. But they look fire. They're I've been watching this show Entourage. It gives like 2000 vibes. It's like 2000 vibe show. If you haven't seen it, go see it. It's funny, super funny. Let me see if I could find the glasses that I'm getting. Hope you guys can see it. Actually, not bad. I'm gonna be honest. Well, in my eyes, they don't look bad. But today, shoulders. Honestly, we're just gonna do two workouts of shoulders and 2 workouts of back. Just keep it short, sweet, and simple, because we still gotta do cardio, and I have to be by the train station at 7:18. So honestly, I think cable lateral raises and shoulder presses, Smith machine, and then for back, lats and rows. Honestly, just that. Get those four exercises till failure, till it burns, you know, all that stuff, and you should be good. You should be A-okay. It is 5:26, and let's go get that workout in, guys. I'll see you guys there. Y'all be safe. Deuces. We already had that little talk on the car, so let's just get straight to it. Honestly, we barely got time to spare, so let's do these pull-ups. I already warmed up. Got in here, warmed up real quick. Blood's flowing. Let's do those pull-ups. Move to shoulder press. All right, we got that Smith machine shoulder press, and this is a really good one. Work that front delt, that rear delt. You're really moving all your whole shoulder here. What do you see me moving? Nothing but the shoulder. So why not do shoulder delt when it works the whole shoulder all in one? Mainly, if you're working out, try to find those machines that hits everything. Triceps, pull down, all that long head, all the whole tricep. Say if you do squats, you're honestly working all the legs. You're going all the way down. I mean, you're going back up. Using those calves, using that thigh, that everything, the knees. Because if you don't, you're going straight down, buddy. All right, we got 35 pounds on each side. So now in these videos, I'm gonna try to change up the angle every set, just so you can see which muscles are really moving, what movement I'm doing, how I'm hitting it, etc. Alright, got that pump. For sure feel the shoulders. Let's move to lateral raises, cable lateral raises. Really focus on that rear delt. Get that defined more. Need to get it defined more. Let's get straight to it. Alright.
Get these ladder raises in. Let's lower the weight. Let's move to lat pull downs. I'll see you guys there. Alright. We're on lat pull downs. We got 140s. And normally when I do lat pull downs, I get I'm on that cable, seated cable one. The long. Now I feel like this is the same movement. You see me testing out different machines here and then. Either way, if they work that muscle, you see me working it out. Let's move it to 130s. First sets were good. Really good. I love this machine. Love it. If you have it in your gym, for sure use it. For sure. We're gonna move to rows. Work that upper to lower back. Let's get straight to it. Alright. We're on that seated row. So there's two movements on the seated row. There's overhand, and then there's also underhand. So I might do 2 sets of overhand, 2 sets of the hand. Why not? Oh, that was good. Let's see you guys in the car.
All right. Workout done. Lift in. Showered. Coffee. Early morning. Can't get better than this, guys. You really can't. Can't get better. Yep, lift was good. Really did feel that row. I'm glad I incorporated the 2 handles. How there was a wide handle and an under grip handle. I'm so glad I incorporated that, cause holy, I got the pump off the first 2 sets. Now the second set I was like, whew, I'm getting a little tired. Off 5 reps and still getting a pump. Yeah, I'm doing that again. Trust me, I'm doing that one again. Now getting tired during sets, easier and faster, is not bad. That's pretty good, because that means that's your PR. That's your, not your PR. That's your heavy set. That's your heavyweight. That's where it hits the most. So now, on the other hand, there's also other people who do lightweight but high reps, like how I used to do in my other split. You won't get as tired, obviously, in the first what? Say if you're just doing bench, just a bar, just normal bench. Obviously, you're not gonna get tired off the first 10 reps. You're gonna get tired over a consecutive time. 10 reps, okay. Yeah, it's nothing. It's a little warm up. 20, okay. All right, we're getting there. 30. All right, I'm feeling that. I'm feeling that pain, that pain where, you know, it's starting to hurt. 40. Come on, just keep going. 50. I might need a spotter. 60. Shit, it's on my neck. But no, that's what I mean. Like, obviously each workout is different on how you do it. Some people do light reps, some people do heavy. One way or another, you're gonna get tired. If you're not getting tired after every set, you're doing something wrong. Something really wrong. You have to be tired. You have to. These are my two main things while lifting. It's either you have to get tired. That's number one. Number two is you have to feel that pain. You know, that pain where like, ugh. You know, it's a weird feeling where like it's just blood flowing in a certain body part and it just keeps on hurting. You can't push it no more. Just like on that first rep, oh man, full stretch. Now on that 10th or 7th or 8th rep, my God, I can't do that full stretch. I can't do it. Get it to there. Keep doing that set until you can't, literally you can't do the movement no more. Literally. But yeah, guys, it was a good lift. I see you guys tomorrow morning. We got chest and biceps. My best. I'll see you guys. Take care. Love y'all.